Happy Wednesdays, guys. Today is a beautiful day. So I got in from work and I decided today I'm just going to go ahead and try to dye this hair again and see how it works. So here I'm just separating the hair already and I'm just going inside with the color and gonna just like saturate my hair all over and see how it works. I'm just gonna do it. I'm not rushing this time. I think last time I was rushing a whole lot. This time I'm actually just taking my time, working my way through, and I think I might have a better result this time because, like I said before, I was kind of rushing and I was doing too many things at one time. And then I didn't leave like the application on long enough. So I think today I'm doing it for like 30 minutes. So far it's looking really, really good. So on to the next stop. Okay, here I am adding some type of conditioner cream, but I'm also going to follow up with my new As I Am that I showed you guys. And the length is amazing, guys. My hair has grew so much, even when I cut off a little bit. So that's what I'm doing here. Continue to watch. I'm actually loving this so far. So I think it's going to turn out really, really good this time. Happy Thursday evening, guys. Yes, it's been late. So y'all know the time has changed. So it gets dark early. So it's really not late. It's only like 5:30 or somewhere like that. But guys, I stopped at Goodwill today before I got home from work. And I found these curtains, y'all. Like, look, I've been there before and I seen one day. And I was like, I know nobody just didn't donate one curtain. Guys, I went back to say, I found 3 of these babies. They are like a champagne gold. OMG, guys. I got all 3 pair of these curtains for $9. Now, I'm still on the hunt for one more, and I know they have it. So, these are NewWestElm, guys. These are cotton blend. So, most of the percentage of the curtains are cotton, and y'all know I love that. I'm so happy. I had to do my happy dance. So, y'all see the before, and then I'm going to throw in an after. Guys, $9 for these curtains. Yay! I'm so excited. So yes, here it's later on, but I just wanted to show you guys before I get really, really comfortable. This is how the curtains look. So I'm so excited, y'all. And also, I am now able to bless my mother because I don't know if I mentioned, my mother was complaining about me moving her blind, that she's having draft problems. So I'm going to gift her all 4 of the 100% cotton curtains that we had before. So yeah, happy Friday. Yes, guys, happy Friday. The hair is looking good. It is moving. I am so grateful for being patient with myself. So we're going to get into the video, but I just wanted to show y'all this is how much hair I have cut off so far. Good morning, you guys. Happy Friday, November the 18th. Oh my gosh, the time is flying, y'all. It's going to be Friendsgiving like next week, right? I'm running a little late. It is early in the AM. I told you guys I am not a morning person. I can't stand it, but it's okay. But anyway, just wanted to say good morning. Welcome you guys in for another video. Y'all, we're going to talk. I don't know. You probably hear me talk before the video or after because you probably seen some other stuff before this clip here. But anyway, you guys see the hair. Now, I did cut my edges, if you guys seen that. I cut them at least maybe an inch, and the hair still has length, y'all. The hair still has length. See? Still has length, and I absolutely love it. Now, there are some like pieces of like gray in there a little bit. I didn't want to go too extreme because it's gonna look too fake, guys. I mean, I embrace who I am, like naturally, with the natural hair. With, you know, it's nothing wrong with coloring it. Sometimes I haven't had my hair colored, y'all, like literally. It's been, you have to go back over my videos. It's been a long time. So when I did it the first time, it didn't work. I tried something different this time and it did work. But I am absolutely loving this. So let me know in the comments what y'all think. I'm looking in the mirror, but I'll check back in with you guys later. All right, guys, I'm gonna make this super quick and easy, okay? First of all, I'm gonna say thank you, all my loyal subscribers, my old subscribers from 5 years ago until now. We have finally reached 3,000 subscribers. Yay! Some of y'all already knew and y'all let me know, okay? So I really appreciate you guys for that. So, y'all, I can't believe the hair stayed. Look, the hair stayed a little bit, okay? I had to do a little touch up right here, but for the most part, especially back here, it stayed really, really straight. So anyway, okay. The last time I talked to y'all was in the car, but the sun is getting ready to go down. So I said, let me get this video so they won't be able to see me. But anyway, I got something to show you guys, but not in this video. But I got to do some stuff for my mom because my mom is over there complaining. Okay, I'm just going to say that. Y'all know how people are when they not used to change or they don't like change. I don't have that problem, but in some areas, but not that problem when it comes to somebody want to fix up something for me. Okay, I'll leave that there, okay? You guys get what I'm saying. So anyway, a day or two ago, I went to the Benz. No, I did not bring you guys along. I'm so sorry I didn't take you guys for this field trip. But I just want to show you a few things that I got, and then I'm going to end this video really, really quick. So the first thing I only spent $4, y'all. The last unboxing, y'all going to be like, girl. Okay, I bought this canister set. It's a glass 2-piece jar set. I'm going to be using this, has gold tops. This is actually a Target find for $5, but it was $1. I'm going to use these for put my salt, some of my Himalayan salt in, and another spice or something. I'm going to put that in here. I also picked up this thing here. I seen this a long time ago, y'all. This is by Opal House. This is really, really pretty antique brass, and it has a top to it. I'm going to put my cotton swabs in it and leave it sitting out because I got cotton swabs like in plastic that I can't stand, like a plastic sleeve, and I just want to get rid of it. But this comes off. For some reason, it ain't coming off right now, but let's see. Y'all know what I mean. This come off. Y'all see it another time, okay? We're not about to do that. And then I got this for my mom. So I'm hoping when I go over there to switch out put some curtains up for her, matching set curtains, that's what I was trying to say, that she would like this. Guys, look at this. Look at the shape of this. Remember the one that I bought for my room? I noticed that when I showed you guys when I was over there, a picture of her. I don't know if you guys can look. If you go back and look in that video, you will see she had this styrofoam thing. It's like a styrofoam piece of meat tray. And I know she probably washed it out because my mother's very neat and clean. But I was like, you got pins and stuff in there? And I get it, y'all. I get it. She's set in her ways. But I'm trying to help her out, okay? Daughter trying to help her out. But I found this other home. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful shaped tray. So I'm going to surprise her when I hang her curtains to give her this, okay? And I'll let you guys know, or in another video, I'll let you know if she liked it. So, guys, look. We got us a box, and we're going to unbox her right now. I need you guys to let me know in the comments too when I show you this. Where do y'all think I should put this? I think I have an idea of where it's probably going to go, but I don't want to say right now. So let's see. Now I already seen this because the lady in the store, they have it where you have to bring everything up to the counter and let them open it. So let me just show y'all what's in this beautiful box, okay? And then I'm going to end this video, okay? I was like, what? Oh my gosh. Y'all, okay, now, this is the bottom of it, okay? This is the dome of it. It's a smoke gray color, really, really pretty, okay? So that's that part. Let me move these out the way. Let me move this stuff out the way. So it's this piece. And then, guys, at the bottom here, you have this beautiful piece on the bottom, okay? So this goes on the top. Let me show y'all again. Okay, this goes up at the top, and this goes on here, like so. And then you take this piece right here, you unscrew this. So just imagine you take this, you unscrew this part, and you add that in here. Now look how beautiful that is. Look at that. You add it in here, and then you take this piece right here and put it in the top, like so, okay? So you guys get it, but let me know in the comments, what do y'all think? Y'all know Mark had put that one up there. I'm just thinking about like maybe this one, since it's bigger, maybe going right there. I think it'll look better. And then two, I think we can put one of those bigger bulbs in here and it'd be brighter in this room. So yeah, guys, this is everything that I got for $4. I hope you guys enjoy. And like I said, I will see you all in another video. Love yourself. Look, I'm tired. But always remember to love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all. Bye. Thank you for the 3,000 subscribers. Peace.